Cultural Association presented the Festival of India, a taste of all things Indian, at Howard County Fairgrounds in West Friendship, Maryland. This Diwali Mela brings the most colorful, exciting and diverse celebration of Indian culture in Maryland. The festival brought to life the vibrant essence of India, offering patrons a feast for the senses over 2 incredible days. Drawing thousands of people from Howard County and neighboring regions, the festival was a powerful showcase of Indian culture in all its diversity and splendor, marking itself as one of Maryland's largest cultural events. The festival's 2 days were packed with entertainment, with performances running throughout the event. Local and regional artists took the stage to showcase India's diverse musical heritage, from soulful classical ragas to lively Bollywood hits. The sound of tabla, sitar and harmonium merged with modern beats, giving attendees a musical experience that spanned centuries and genres. Beyond the entertainment and food, the Festival of India also served as an important platform for local businesses and artisans. The vendor booths, displaying a wide array of products such as traditional clothing, jewelry, artwork and home decor, provided attendees with the opportunity to shop for unique items directly from the creators. Many of these artisans brought their crafts from India, giving people in Maryland access to authentic products that highlighted India's rich artistic legacy. For artists and small business owners, the festival was a significant event in terms of networking and community building. It allowed them to connect with new patrons and share their work with a broader audience, all while contributing to the festival's overall celebration of Indian culture. While the Festival of India was a celebration of Indian culture, it was also a celebration of community. The event drew a diverse crowd, from Indian American families eager to share their heritage with their children to individuals of all backgrounds curious about the many facets of Indian culture. It fostered a spirit of unity, bringing together people from different walks of life to celebrate and appreciate Indian traditions. ICA, the organization behind the festival, has long been committed to promoting cultural awareness and building bridges between the Indian community and the wider American society. The success of the Festival of India was a testament to their efforts, with thousands of attendees coming together to celebrate, learn and enjoy all things Indian.